minus S22A, S11B. Okay? You got the idea? Next, if you want to get the rest of them, you just kill the other two signals and leave one at a time and get the column that correspond to them. See, if I just do the homework and copy it and email it to you, I wouldn't do all these details, right? That's why I decided to do it in lecture. All right? I'll do the last one. I've got 3 minutes to do two shapes. One of them actually I did in the lecture before, which is the R0 over 3 thing. And actually it's done in Poser. If you check Poser, you will see that particular problem done as part of the book. So it's already there. So let's do the last one. The last one is you've got 3 lines. I'm showing it to you as waveguides, but it doesn't matter. Basically, there are 3 lines. Z0, Z0, Z0. The thing is, you can have line lengths here. These line lengths will add delays, e to the j beta or e to the minus j beta L kind of thing. So I'm just going to get the S parameters of the junction, and you can think about the junction being a 3-port network, and added to it delay lines. Right? So you can do the 3-port network here, just like what we did here, and add these other ports later on. So forget about those for now, and just work out the junction. The junction is like that. So again, in the junction, you've got A's and B's. You've got A1, B1, A2 and B2, and A3 and B3. Each one of those is represented by its own infinite. You know, when you do the junction here, you think about it as an infinite situation. Since they are all the same impedance, that means if I want to do S11 again, it's going to be B1 over A1, when A2 is equal to A3 is equal to 0. And that's what I meant by infinite lines, or matched lines, either way. All right? So this one here is terminated in Z0. This one here is terminated in Z0. And you're looking for A1 over B1. So you have a line here, Z0, and you have Z0 from line 2 and Z0 from line 3. So your gamma here is equal to 1/2 minus 1 divided by 1/2 plus 1, which is minus 1/3. Right? So your S11 is actually minus 1/3. So if we do the bounce diagram here, if you have a signal of 1 here, you get minus 1/3 here. So what do you get here? 2/3. So your voltage here is going to be 2/3. And that's actually what you see at the interception here. So your S21 and S31 are going to be, I'm going to write this in detail and send it, because I don't think I have the time to do it. 2/3. Let's stop here. It's already past the time. I'm going to, like I said, one was R0 over 3, it's Poser. This one here I'm going to 100% better than rush through it with no camera. That's easier to write down. All right? So are you gonna return the project on Wednesday or Friday?
Friday.
Okay. Project is due Friday.
Am I free to come in office hours again this year? Yeah, am I free to come in office hours again this year? Just morning.